Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Today we're tackling all the storage on Samsung device. First, let's check how much storage is being used. Open your settings, then tap on device care or battery and device care. Navigate to storage and highlight the other category. There you can see the breakdown of your storage. The other category often contains miscellaneous files that can be safely deleted. One way to free up space is by clearing the cache. Go to Settings, then tap on Apps. Select an app with a significant cache size, then tap on Clear Cache. Repeat this for other apps to clear more space. Next, let's delete unnecessary downloaded files. Open My Files app, then go to Downloads. Select and delete files that are no longer needed. Select the files you don't need and delete them. Now, use the built-in device care feature to optimize your storage. Go back to device care, then tap on Optimize Now. This will clean up unnecessary files and optimize your device performance. Sometimes apps store a lot of data in the other category. Go back to apps and check the storage usage of apps. For apps you use less frequently, consider clearing data or uninstalling them. To find duplicate and large file, open My Files again. Use the built-in search to find large files and duplicate files. Select and then delete the files that are taking up unnecessary space. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can free up space on your Samsung device and get rid of those pesky other storage files. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. And thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.